Hello and welcome to day 2 of E-Chord Bootcamp, where we're taking 5 days to master E-Chord. We're going to learn how to switch in and out of the chord, and by day 5 we'll be playing a song with this chord. So yesterday, because review is the best teacher, we worked on A minor. We talked about keeping the wrist straight, about the positioning of our instrument being here, comfortable, maybe a shoulder height. We also talked about the thumb being in one place when you switch from A minor to F major 7. So we had a lot to do yesterday. Now today what we're going to do is go from A minor to a D chord. Here we're going to have to do a pivot. And this pivot is so important and crucial for many chords in the ukulele. But today we're just focusing on D chord. Now, when you try and do D chord, something really special needs to happen in your hand. From A minor, if you try to put down the ring and the pinky, your fingers end up creeping down into the 3rd fret. We do not want that. So look up. Right now my hand is parallel to the fret wires. That's no good. And I'm already bending the wrist. Look at that. That's no good either. So what I want to do is look up, look up, look up. Relax, open, and pivot. What do I mean by open? See over here, I like to call this house for a mouse. If a mouse is getting squished here, you're not gonna sound good. So open your hand, make a house for a mouse, and then pivot that house up, okay? It's not gonna be so high that you're bending either or have a chicken elbow. You can drop that, but make sure you open and pivot upwards just enough for the ring and pinky to fit. Now, how does this affect E chord? Well, this is 75% of E chord. It's just on a different fret because E chord is this one, right? So if we can get these fingers doing the right thing today, then that helps us a lot. So let's go from A to D, and we're gonna do 4 beats of each. And A, 2, 3, 4, D. Look up, look up, look up. As you're doing this, continue keeping the fretboard facing out. Don't make it face you. Also, anticipate that you're gonna need room for D chord by having the hand already up when you're playing that A minor. Notice how my index finger is like way up here. Okay, let's try that again. Breathe, 1, 2, you can do it. Ready, go. Yeah, D. Nice job. Again, A minor. D chord. And finish on 1 A minor. So today's video is slightly shorter because you have homework. Your homework is to switch from A minor to D. And I want you to test each string. If you're getting something like this, then you're not putting enough pressure on the string for it to ring. So your homework for today is get really nice sounding strings. And tomorrow I'm going to teach you some hacks to make E chord ring all together. So I'll see you there. Ciao.